Hello world! Real love is not something that you can just walk away from, any more than a starving person could walk away from food. It's a pull, a tugging of your heart so deep that you feel that if you walk away, you would stop breathing. It's not about dependency or anxious attachment. It's about always wanting a connection that feels so safe and good that you could imagine your life without them. It's an overwhelming desire to be able to give your love to someone that is so deserving and wonderful, that to not be able to be here for them would devastate you. When it's real, you don't think selfishly about what they can do for you. You live for how you can show up for each other and care deeply about how you want to make them feel. Real love is more precious than anything, and when really appreciate it, you hold on to it. Connection created by mirroring each other creates understanding, trust, respect, safety, and agreement. When you take the time to process your feelings, reset and decide what energy you want the other person to mirror from you, then you are being matured and intentional in the way that you show up in your relationship. This is what builds leadership, skills that create meaningful connection and emotional intimacy. By Joel Clemons. Ama is on fire on her bloodly red gown as it captioned with red, color of emotion, strength, and courage. Color that tells a story. Two women met on the runway, two energies, Ama Maria Segluka and Ama Boronowska, in two shades of red, different forms, different temperaments, and yet one story about femininity who is not afraid to be visible. It was a special moment. It was just like a prelude, a subtle announcement of emotions that will soon move to the global level. This collection is moving on to Cannes. There is the red carpet of the film festival. It will come alive again in motion, light, and emotions, because red is not just a color to Stan Duca. Ama telling us on her post caption with trust the process, always, even when it's quiet, even when nothing seems to be moving, even when you don't understand why things unfold the way they do. Not everything is meant to make sense in the moment. Some things are meant to shape you, redirect you, and align you with what's truly yours. So breath, stay steady, keep going. What meant for you is already finding its way if you truly decide, just you, choosing fully. Have you already found yourself? I believe finding yourself isn't a single moment, not a destination you arrive at once and for all. It's a quiet unfolding, a series of returns, a courage to look within. Even when it's uncomfortable, I found myself in the moment when I choose truth over illusion, when I stop running and finally stay, piece by piece, breath by breath. I met myself again, not as someone new, but as the one I have always been waiting to be found. Deep inside of you, you always know the truth. It doesn't shout, it whispers. And somehow you feel it before you can explain it. Stop searching outside. Everything real is already within you. Love, Ama. Si Monego to Miami Beach, Florida, it's a prime coastal city known for its iconic sandy shores, vibrant nightlife, and historic art deco architecture, particularly in the famous South Beach areas. It offers a unique blend of urban island life with top-tier dining, shopping, and culture featuring roughly 248 sunny days per year. Miami is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Miami is the only major city in the USA founded by a woman, local businesswoman Julia Tuttle, known as the Mother of Miami, helped shape the city's beginnings. She convinced developer Henry Flagler to bring his Florida East Coast Railroad to the area, a decision that sparked the growth of modern Miami. The 305 comes from Miami original area code and has become a symbol of local pride and connection. From exploring the city's food, art, and neighborhood, student experience what it truly means to live and learn in the 305. The Southern Tip is renowned for Ocean Drive neon light cafes and pastel-colored architecture, known for a high-energy international atmosphere with numerous art exhibits and cultural institutions, popular for sunbathing, swimming, and boardwalk activities like rollerblading. Marcos and Brando really enjoyed their Lenten season break from school on skiing. But there is a but as to what Brando saying he want to try something. And what it is? Hear this out.
Wrong.
I don't want to do any more skiing.
Why?
I want to do snowboard. It's more cool.
It's cool. It's cooler. You need to become pro in ski
No,
and then
I want to stop. Like next time we go to ski, I don't do ski. I do snow from the beginning. I don't care if I'm on baby one. Excuse me.
This is how Brando do his meditation time. Or it's a martial art skills. While his wife and kids enjoying skiing, Michele doing his me time at home.
Vieni. Madonna. Quiet, 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 quiet. God. Mucho. ¿Qué c'è? Che c'è? Chi è?
Hola, hola, hola! When Michele and Eugenio is in the city doing their exploring of the street, let's all watch this. This time, Michele, Andrea, and Eugenio are going somewhere. Any idea, guys, to where it will gonna be? Got some time to think and comment it below as you look in here. They are at Florence, Italy, the capital of Tuscany and widely recognized as the birthplace of the Renaissance, acting as a living museum of art, history, and culture. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the city is famous for its iconic architecture, including the Duomo, alongside world-renowned museums like the Uffizi Gallery and masterpieces like Michelangelo's David. The cradle of the Renaissance and the world capital of art in the 15th century, it boasts one of the oldest historic sites and some of the most famous museums in the world, as well as one of the most iconic and distinctive landscapes as far as the eye can see. In particular, the famous Fiorentina Irish that adorns the city coat of arms and gives Florence the name the City of Flowers. However, another theory exists that the inauguration of the city coincided with the Roman festival Floralia, honoring the goddess of flowers Flora, thus giving its name to the city. Florence is the city most admired for the artistic and revolutionary spirit of its most period, the Renaissance, an open-air museum that joins proper museums famous all over the world. Florence is best known for its hearty rustic Tuscan cuisine with standout dishes. The cuisine is built on exalting the quality of simple ingredients rather than elaborate chefy constructions. They are back in the city. Marcus, Brando, and Michele. What they are doing? Watch this. Apology to all, no bad intention for the reaction of Michele, Marcus, and Brando. They are just being cool. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 102 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. Not everyone who loves you knows how to keep you. The people who truly care will never make you feel hard to love. Time does heal everything, but it teaches acceptance. You will miss moments you didn't know were special until they passed. Sometimes the hardest person to forgive is yourself. You become your own home after being lost in others. Some people won't see your worth until you trying to prove it. Closure doesn't always come in words. Sometimes it silences you to make peace with. There's beauty in being soft in a world that hardened you. Some days surviving is more than enough. It's okay to change your mind, your path, your heart. Growing up means letting go of old version of yourself. You stop asking for love from those who never gave it and start finding it within yourself. The comfort of leaning on their shoulder, knowing that they will be there for you no matter what. knowing that you can be your word, messy self around them and they will love you just the same. Sharing a quiet moment of comfortable silence, knowing that you don't need words to understand each other. Feeling that you can be your most authentic self with someone, knowing that no matter what life throws your way, you have someone in your corner who will always be there for you. Feeling a deep sense of belonging, like you have finally found your place in the world where you can truly be yourself. By Jay Wright's Poetry.